Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And today we have something interesting. It's blank polish. So if you haven't heard of blank before, they are all over social media. That's how I found it. Instagram led me to them. So this is basically a company that makes custom nail polish. It is still in its early days, and so it's just creams, no special finishes, but the way that it works is it takes a color sample from a photo that you like and then makes a polish to match that color sample. So let me show you what I got. So when you first open it, it says, "You fill in the blank. Made for Megan," with a heart. Someone wrote that. How cute. And then I only have 3 polishes. That's as many as I got, and I already opened it and took them out of the little sleeve thing. So here are the 3. This is what they look like. And let me show you the bottle in its entirety. There is a QR code you can scan if you would like. And then the, whatever these are, icons, you know. And so this one is called Megan's Nude. This one was made after my skin tone. Now, in the bottle and on my hand don't look exactly the same, but you gotta remember it was coming off the photo I used, but I think it should be complimentary. This one, you'll notice, is a little bit darker. This one doesn't match me because it's not for me. This one belongs to my daughter. Her name is Rowen. This is her skin tone. And then this one. This is obviously not a skin tone, but do you know what it is? It's my eye color. Isn't that cool? I've always wanted a polish that matched my eyes. And the crazy thing about eyes is they look different in different lightings, but this is indoor eyes. This is what they look like when I'm not out in the sun. That's a totally different color, but getting in a photo is hard. So I've already done the prep. I've got base coat on here so that we can just get into it. We're gonna go in with Megan's Nude. All right, let's check this consistency out. So far, it's feeling good. It paints on really smooth and creamy, and it looks to be very opaque, which is great. I may not need a second coat of that. It's looking pretty good. I wonder if it would be better in matte. We'll assess. Okay. So we've got our 3 nude ones on. What are you thinking so far? Let's go in with Megan's eyes. That's really cute. Okay, so now that we've got those on, we're gonna give those a moment to dry. All right, so that's had a moment. We're gonna go in with China Glaze Fast Forward. You guys know it's my favorite. Always need a good quick dry top coat before you move on to any sort of art so that your polish has a chance. And you will have noticed we did only end up doing 1 coat. We didn't need a second one, so that's pretty cool too. If you'll notice my nails are grown out a little bit, it's because it was weeks ago when I put these press-ons on and they're just still on here. All right, and then we'll let that dry. Alright, so these are dry. We are going to go in with a matte. Now this is Revlon. It's matte top coat. I don't know. This is like the cheapest, most crappy looking nail polish, but the matte that it makes is exquisite. Like, it is super matte. So we're going to use it. Look at that. How good is that matte? I love this stuff. It is much better than some of the mattes I have. Not really that big a fan of the satin mattes that have a light line still left. I like these like chalkboard mattes. So this looks great. We could stop here, but I want to go in with some of these little stickers and decorate it up a bit. But we are going to put it on top of this. And so now the thing is, I would normally encourage you to top coat something like this in. However, because we're doing matte nails, I don't want to top coat these in and make them matte, but I don't want to use shiny top coat so these stay shiny and then mess up my matte. So we're not doing top coat. You just want to remember that these may peel off at some point without top coat. Okay, so that's them. I think it looks pretty cool. It's a little bit hard for you to see with all these lights. Let me see if we can scoot some of them away. Can you see that? It's pretty neat, I think. Yeah. Got a little bit of bling, a little bit of shine, but this really cool matte background. This one, it appears as if the plastic is in the middle, and I think it is. I would have preferred if this were hollow here, but it is what it is. So that's them. We're gonna leave these alone. I am gonna get you some photos outside as per the usual. So let me know, what do you think about blank polish? Have you tried it? I know that they have like kiosks in some locations, not in my location. I had to order these online, so I will definitely leave you a link if you want to check it out and get some custom polishes for yourself. Do you think the nude color is complementary to my skin? I think it is. I think it's a tad darker than my actual skin tone, so I could have had it in a lighter shade, but maybe this was summertime Megan in this photo. I don't know. And what do you think about the eye color? Do you think the eye color makes sense? Is it the right shade of blue for indoor eyes, Megan? Either way, I think these are pretty cute. But let me wrap this up. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for your likes, your comments, your interaction. I do appreciate all of it. It helps me, it helps the algorithm, it helps my channel grow, and that is super exciting. As you know, we've made it to 1,000. Fantastic. We're getting close to being able to monetize. Now we just got to get those watch hours up. If you did make it to the end of this video, please let me know. Leave me a comment about it, because I know most views drop off right after the beginning. So those of you who do stay, I appreciate, and those of you who do stay know that I announce secret giveaways at the end of my videos. 2 of them have been missed so far because nobody saw the information about it. So remember that. And then I do have some stuff coming up. It's getting to that season, so be here. Thank you again. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.